Often we do stories on volunteer efforts to ask for your help, but this is something different. When UNMC and Nebraska Medicine put out the call for volunteers to make masks, they received such a huge response right away that they have enough sewers. So I talked to those involved in the project, not to ask for more help, but just to show you how giving Omaha truly is.
Let's all join together because we're all in this together. That's the only thing that I think that's keeping me sane.
As the pandemic took hold, Christy Brandt turned to a sewing machine.
We wanted to make masks for all of the residents in my mom's nursing home.
She visits her mom every day through a window and wanted to protect those caring for her. Her husband Todd of morning radio show Todd and Tyler talked about the masks on air, and healthcare workers reached out. Christy sewed for them too. Then she saw a post about a mask-making initiative through Nebraska Medicine.
I have to do something. I think we all really need to try to do something.
The response has been incredible. We find ourselves in the unexpected and humbling position of having many more volunteers than we can distribute to.
Hannah Tandon is a University of Nebraska Medical Center med student turned volunteer coordinator. They have more than 1,600 volunteers in a database. Every week they drop materials off at volunteers' homes and then pick them up after they're made.
It's surgical draping fabric that has a higher filtration ability than average cloth. So these masks have an increased filtration ability compared to a cloth mask that we would make out of, say, quilting fabric, or if you're my mom, an old sheet.
More than 20,000 made so far. These go to patients, visitors, and staff members on campus, so the more durable personal protective equipment can be saved for healthcare workers.
It's important for them to be protected and to have some barrier between them and their environment should they be unknowingly infected.
Masks may provide a needed barrier right now, but the process of making them is definitely bringing people together.
This is my way of being able to give back to the community that I love.
Again, they don't need more volunteers right now, but they are keeping volunteers in a database. If you'd like to be part of that, you can email Hannah at masks@nebraskamed.com.